Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will go through how to use the counter function blocks in Codesys. To add a function block we want to click on the Insert Box button. If we then open up the Standard tab we can find the counter folder. I am going to add both a countdown and countup block to the main program. In the local tag list I will add all the inputs and outputs with the correct data type. The CD input stands for countdown. When this input trigger the block will decrement the value by 1. The load input will load the value we set to the PV input once it's trigger. I will set it to 5. The Q output will activate when the block have reached the value by 0. And CV stands for counted value. This output will show the value the block have currently. The CU input stands for countup. This input will increment the block's value by 1 each time it's triggered. The reset input will reset the value back to 0 when triggered. The preset value is the set value the block will count up to until the Q output will activate. The CV output is same like the countdown block, it will show the current value. We can now compile and run the simulation to test the blocks out. If I now trigger the load input on the countdown block, the preset value will be set to 5. And for each time I trigger the CD input, the value will decrement by 1. When the value reaches 0, the Q output will activate. When I trigger the CU input, the countup block will increment the value by 1. And it will do so until it reaches its preset value of 5. Then the Q output will activate. If I trigger the reset input, the value will reset back to 0. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.